the Mercedes-AMG C63 is at half the time of update, and that means that there is a new face, a new transmission and new driving modes for the Muscledes-Benz V8 of up to 509 horsepower. Let's start with the important parts. The twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 is unchanged, and produces 469 horsepower in the basic version of AMG C63 or 503 ponies if you choose the AMG C63S. Both the ornaments and the convertible, a wagon in Europe, a sedan or a coupe. There is no indication that the long roof variant reaches EU this time, but that has never stopped us from waiting before. But what has not changed is the old 7-speed automatic transmission Speedshift MCT, as it has been replaced by a Speedshift MCT 9G from AMG, a 9-speed that, like the 7 previous speeds, uses a start-wet-off clutch instead of a torque converter. This, says Mercedes, allows faster bursts of speed and more spontaneous responses, and also saves weight. Also new for 2019 is a new electronically controlled limited slip differential, standard on all models. In addition, there have also been some changes in AMG Dynamic Select, which changes driving modes by altering the engine, transmission, steering and suspension response, as well as exhaust sound. Now there will be a slippery mode for wet conditions, plus a new integrated dynamic driving control system called AMG Dynamics,